Welcome back. Today, we're building a simple inverter circuit that converts 12 volts DC into 230 volts AC output. Using just a few simple components, this circuit is easy to build and understand. So let's dive in and see how this works, step by step. This circuit uses just a few key components: a 20K potentiometer, a 1 microfarad capacitor, a 1K resistor, and the PC817A optocoupler. These components form a simple RC oscillator that generates a switching signal. The PC817A optocoupler is part of this oscillation loop itself. It works with the RC components to produce the oscillating output. This generated oscillation signal is then fed into the QBD140 PNP power transistor through a 220 ohm resistor. As the signal switches on and off, the transistor rapidly switches, sending pulsed DC into the transformer. The transformer is connected in reverse. The secondary winding takes the 12-volt input, and the primary winding delivers the 230-volt AC output. This inverter is suitable for low-power applications, delivering around 30 to 50 watts of output power. And by simply adjusting the potentiometer, you can control the switching frequency of the entire circuit. So that's how this simple inverter circuit works, converting 12 volts DC into 230 volts AC using just a few simple components. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below. Which circuit video do you want to see next? See you in the next one.